everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. This video is going to be on a hard waxing kit from an Amazon seller. Now the brand of this one is called Nivlan, and this is the company that decided to send me this waxing kit. So this is how the box look, and this is the company's name, Nivlan. This is how it comes in the inside. It comes very well packaged. So what I'm pulling out first is the beads, the wax beads. Now I read some reviews on here before I decided to go ahead and work with them. They were saying how the beads, the color of the beads, they don't have any type of scent to them. So I'm going to open them up and see if they have any type of scent, because they were saying certain ones go for certain things. But for the review, they were saying they all the same, so you can use whatever color you choose. But here is the blue one, the blue wax beads. I have green, I have purple, I have the cream ones or ivory, and then I have the pink ones. And I think I want to use the pink ones today because I just want to use pink. And it was saying on here, it says ideal for removal of body and facial hair on all skin types. Now on the bottom it says honey, rose, aloe vera, cream, lavender, sea mud, and another name that I can't pronounce. So, I'm going to go ahead and open it and see if it has a scent to it. And these are the pink ones because this is the one I'm going to be using today. Now, I don't smell anything. No type of scent. It has like a scent to it, but it's not like a fragrance scent. It don't smell like it's a rose scent or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep pulling out the items of the box. So I have the big wooden sticks here and the little wooden sticks here. So the little ones are perfect for facial hair removers. The big one, of course, is for body hair removal. Then I have the PreWax Treatment spray. It says it's with lavender perfume, clean your skin and prep for wax treatment. And then this one is the after wax treatment spray. It says with menthol perfume, clean wax residue, and claim your skin. I guess that's supposed to be calm. That's a typo. Calm your skin. Okay. So here is the waxing system and the instructions. I'm going to keep the instructions handy because this is my first time doing any type of waxing. I shave. I don't do waxing because I heard it was painful. So I never did it professionally because I don't like pain. I have a very low tolerance for pain. So this is the cord. The prong of the cord is like this. So it has the 3 prongs on it. And it was bubble wrapped, so that's good. And then the cap do come with plastic on it. So I'm going to take the cap out. This is the lid. And then they also have 2 sprayers for the bottles, which is great. So I'm going to put those on. And then here is the bowl that's actually wrapped in plastic as well. So this is the bowl with the handle for the wax. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there, put the lid on, and of course this is how the front looks. So I think once you turn it on, you'll be able to see the temperature, but this is how the front of it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it in. I put the wax beads, some of the wax beads up into, I used the pink ones. I put it up into the wax kit and I turned it all the way up to max so that way it can quickly melt the wax. And then I'm going to turn it down because you don't want the wax to be too hot or runny because it will burn your skin. So this is how it's looking right now. The wax is melting, as you can see, it's melting. So I'm just going to wait a while until it's melted, and then I also put the tops on the pre-treatment and the after treatment. Put the caps on, and then I took out a stick so I can stir the wax. So once it get all ready to you know, prepare for me to wax, I will come back and show you guys how it goes. This is like a first time thing for me, so you know, I know it's gonna hurt, but we're gonna do this together, you guys. I am back, and it actually didn't take that long to warm up. It's actually pretty warm. So as you can see, the wax is melted, okay? It is melted, and you don't want it to be runny like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it down, probably to like 100, because I had it all the way up to 257, to cool down. So I got me some cotton pads right here. I'm going to take the PreWax Treatment, which is with lavender perfume. It's a clean your skin and prepare for your wax treatment. Ingredients says water, thickener, lavender extracts, ethanol, and glycerol, which I think is like glycerin. Well, why would I want to put whatever? So I'm going to go ahead and just use the whole little system, how it goes. I'm going to spray this. The smell is not bad. I'm going to spray this down, and as you can see, my pits are very, I mean, it's not that hairy, but I knew that I was going to be doing this review, so I did leave them alone and let them grow, because I usually shave like maybe once every 2 weeks. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe all around and on the hairs to prep. And it didn't really take off anything, because once again I said I got in the shower earlier, and I like to scrub underneath my arms so I won't have like the residue of the deodorant. And plus I use the spray Dove deodorant. So yeah, so that is all done. I'm going to let that dry. It is, you know, thick. So I'm just going to turn it around for a few. I feel like it's not hot at all, so I can actually, you know, put it on. So pray for me, you guys, because OMG, I don't do wax, okay? This is my first time. I'm actually going to turn around and look in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on and, you know, pull it off. Okay, so it says to put it on in the way that your hair grows. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's already sticking. Oh my God. Ooh. And I know I'm doing a hot booty of a job, but this is my first time here, so y'all gonna have to let me be, okay? So I'm trying to muster up to do it. Well, I can't do nothing but to take it off now, but whew. Okay, that wasn't that bad. That one wasn't. Okay, still got this little part to take off, so. Okay. So if you can see that, that's the hair. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, so this is that go around. And hopefully I get all of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this one. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I sprayed some of the after wax treatment spray onto the cotton swab, and I just wiped it off, like wiped it, you know, to see the results. These are the results. I mean, for my first time, I think I did pretty good. I do still see like a few little hairs, but it's not bad at all. And I don't want to pass it through again because they said only do it twice, you know, so I won't, you know, make my skin all raw and messed up. But I think I did pretty darn good for my first time compared to, of course, this arm here, which is still hairy. I think I did a really good job. And the pain, you know, I have a low tolerance for pain. Was not bad at all. And I'm honestly going to continue to wax my underarms now. No more shaving because it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So, yeah, I do recommend this kit. I highly recommend it because it's not as bad as you think it may be if it's your first time waxing. I just did my first wax on camera, you guys, on camera. Didn't cry, didn't shed a tear, it didn't hurt at all. So yeah, so definitely check out the wax kit. I'm going to leave the link down below in my description. And let me know if you guys, do you shave or do you wax? And you know, don't judge me because this is my first time waxing, because I just don't, I just can't. But now that I see that the pain is not bad at all, I mean, I'm just waxing everything now. So yeah, so definitely let me know down below in the comments. Go ahead and let me know what you do, you shave, you wax. If it's going to be your first time, girl, go ahead and do it. It's not bad at all. If my scary low pain tolerance self can do it, you can do it too, girl. Come on, you can do it, girl. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.